Hello, first graders. It's Tuesday and it is time for our math lesson for today. This is the last section for this topic. It's 11-6 and it is draw a picture and write a number sentence. So that's what you're going to be working on today. It's problem solving, so there's going to be a lot of word problems that you're going to have to read and then draw a picture to solve. The paper that you're going to work on today is 11-6, and this is what it looks like. And as you see on top, problem solving, draw a picture and write a number sentence, just like I said. There are four word problems that you're going to have to read carefully. And then there are lines where you're going to write the subtraction problem, and you're going to draw a picture to show how you solve the problem. We're going to do a couple examples today on my board here. You can take out a piece of paper or dry erase board to work with me if you want to, or you could just sit back and watch the video. And when we're all finished, you can take out this paper, and that's what you're going to do for today. Now, if you want to be fancy, you can draw beautiful pictures for me. You don't have to. You can just draw circles or rods and or rectangles to help you solve the problem. Whatever floats your boat, whatever you want to do, whatever makes it easy for you, whatever makes it fun for you. I want math to be fun. It's fun. It's a fun day. Okay, so my first problem on the board, let me just separate it a little bit so we can see. There's a lot of words here. My first problem says, Ben picked 70 strawberries. He sold 20 strawberries. How many does he have now? So he started with 70. He sold 20. I'm thinking that I'm going to have to subtract, okay? Because the number he's giving 20 away, so you're taking it away. So how would I draw a picture to solve this? Well, you can be fancy or you can be simple. I will draw groups of 10. I think groups of 10 will be easier. I'm not going to draw 70 strawberries because that's just crazy. So I'm going to do groups of 10 because we're subtracting groups of 10. So what I'll just do is I'll draw one large strawberry, and that means a group of 10. So one strawberry. I need 70. So 7 groups of 7 strawberries. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and you know what? To represent 10, I'm going to put 10 in each. So here's 10 strawberries, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay? And I'm also going to, if you want to be fancy, like I said, you can be fancy. You don't have to be fancy. I'm just trying to make it fun for you guys. So we can give a little green on the strawberry. There's a stem. It's a funny looking strawberry. Sometimes they're different shapes. Okay, so here, let's look again. Ben picked 70 strawberries. Here they are, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. He sold 20 strawberries. So he sold 20. That means how many groups of 10 are in 20? There are 2 groups of 10 in 20. So I'm going to cross off 2 groups of 10. Okay, now how would I write that as a number sentence? I'm starting with 70. And I'm taking away, I'm subtracting, so I need a minus sign, 20. What is 70 take away 20? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 strawberries left. Okay, so Ben picked 70 strawberries. He sold 20, took away 2 groups of 10. How many does he have now? He has 50 strawberries left. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple practice problems, and then you're going to work on this on your own. Here's my next problem. Anthony had 80 baseball cards. Anthony had 80 baseball cards. He gave Joe 40. How many cards does he have left? Okay, whenever I see that word left in a word problem, I know I'm going to subtract. Okay, so let's read it again. Anthony had 80 baseball cards. He gave Joe 40. How many cards does he have left? You would start with the 80. I know I'm subtracting, so I'm going to put a minus sign. We know that he gave 40 cards to Joe. Well, we have to draw a picture to help us figure out how many cards he has left. So now I'm going to draw rods because I think it's faster, it's easier. I'm not going to draw 80 baseball cards out because that would just take way too long. So I'm going to draw 80 cards, but I'm representing the cards as groups of 10. So I need 8 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And he gives 40 to Joe, 4 groups of 10. So you're going to take away 4 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. How many cards does Anthony have left? 10, 20, 30, 40. 80 take away 40 equals 40. Now remember, you don't count this as 1. I wouldn't say he has 4 cards left. Each line represents 10 groups of cards. So remember to count by tens when you're subtracting. 10, 20, 30, 40. 80 take away 40 is 40 baseball cards left. Okay? Let's try one more together, and then you're off on your own. Next problem is Mom is reading a book. Mom is reading a book with 50 pages. She read 20 pages. How many pages does she have left? Okay. Mom is reading a book that has 50 pages. She read 20 pages. How many pages does she have left? There's that key word again. How many does she have left? So she has 50 pages in her book. She read 20, so she's going to take those 20 away. How many pages does she have left? Again, I'm going to represent my pages as groups of 10. So I'm going to start with 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pages. She read 20, so I'm taking away 2 groups of 10. 10, 20. What does she have left to read? Mom has 30 pages left to read. 10, 20, 30, 50, take away 20 equals 30 pages. Now, some of you probably don't even need the picture. Some of you are probably looking at the 10s and the 1s, and you're doing mental math to subtract. That's awesome. But if you do need a little extra practice, draw the picture. Pictures always help you. Okay, so now it's your turn to show me how smart you are. You're going to take out 11-6. I will read the directions. It says to draw a picture, then write a number sentence. There are 4 separate problems. You can be fancy or you can be simple. This is the simple version. Fancy is what I did with the strawberries. Make sure you're counting by tens. Very, very important. Start with your first number, draw that, subtract by crossing off with an X, and find your answer. And that's your math lesson for today. Simple Simon. You can do it. Have fun. Bye.